What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. And on today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Elegoo's uh, Rapid PETG in black. So one of the things I am a fan of with Elegoo is a nice, easy to open box. Also, that the Elegoo Rapid PETG comes in a cardboard spool, has these nice, easy to open tabs, that kind of thing. I do love seeing that. Anyway, as you can see, it's this nice, rich, glossy black. But, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the filament dryer, and I will see you back here for the Benchy. And here we are. So if you're new here, we always start out by printing a Benchy in the generic filament settings in this case, Bamboo Studio. This should take under an hour, which is always good to see. So we'll get that done and have all the test prints. And here's the generic Benchy. So as you can see, nice slick black color, very glossy, which is good to see for what I usually need it for. But overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, we had the temperature tower. And the temp tower for this one, the best one I would say is probably 240. Very little stringing and no real globbing on the spike there. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. There was a slight defect on the build plate for whatever reason, but overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, we had the retraction test. Retraction test performed very well. No stringing, no globbing, nothing like that. Next up, we had the max volumetric speed test. This performed very well at 28 millimeters per second cubed, which is good to see as it is a high speed, marketed as a rapid filament. Next up, we had the overhang test. So the overhang test did succeed. Was a little bit loss of quality as we got towards the higher 70 and 80 degrees. So if you're looking for quality at those angles, you're going to want to increase supports. Anyway, we got the settings dialed in. Everything I changed is down in the description below. But everything looks pretty good. No real major issues whatsoever on this one. So, yeah. So at time of filming, you can pick this up for less than $14 per kilogram over at Amazon. Again, link is in the description. Yeah, which is always quite good to see. Anyway, my overall thoughts are if you're looking for a nice glossy black and you need PETG, this one's pretty good for the money, especially at less than 14 bucks per kilogram, which again is always good to see. Again, this has been Elegoo's Rapid PETG in black. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things, share with your friends, all that stuff. I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be kind to each other, print all the stuff, and I hope to see you back here at the next full review. Thanks.